Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to mark your listing as sold on Facebook Marketplace. So now the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser, either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any web browser. After that you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account, or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. And after that you go to the marketplace. All you need to do is to go to your selling portal. You click on selling and here we will find all your listing. And basically all you need to do is to go like this, and here we will find mark out of stock. So basically just click, for example, yes, sold on Facebook, and then click on next, and you can just remind something and then just cancel, and as you can see it is marked as sold. So all you need to do is to mark your listing from here and click on mark out of stock or make it mark as sold, and you will have your listing that will be shown as out of stock because it is sold. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.